Xiaomi Projector L1 Ultimate Setup Guide. Welcome to the Ultimate Setup Guide for the Xiaomi Projector L1. Whether you're unboxing it for the first time or fine-tuning its settings for the best experience, this guide will help you maximize your projector's potential. Unboxing and first impressions. Upon opening the box, you'll find the Xiaomi Projector L1, a power adapter, remote control, and a user manual. The projector features a sleek and modern design, making it highly portable and easy to set up anywhere. Key specs include high-resolution projection, autofocus, and an impressive contrast ratio, ensuring a crisp and vibrant display. Connecting and setting up. Powering up. Plug the projector into a power source and press the power button. Connecting devices. Use an HDMI cable to connect a laptop or gaming console. Connect a smartphone wirelessly via screen mirroring or using an HDMI adapter. Attach a USB drive to access multimedia files directly. Initial setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your language, Wi-Fi network, and other preferences. Download the Xiaomi Projector app for seamless remote control and customization. Picture and sound optimization, adjusting projection, size and aspect ratio. Place the projector at an optimal distance 1.5 meters, 3 meters to achieve the best screen size and clarity. Enhancing picture quality. Adjust brightness, contrast, and sharpness for different lighting conditions. Enable keystone correction to fix distorted images. The projector is placed at an angle. Audio setup. The built-in stereo speakers deliver clear sound, but you can also connect an external speaker via Bluetooth or AUX for an immersive experience. Beyond the basics, advanced features, smart apps, access Netflix, YouTube, and other streaming apps directly from the projector's interface. Voice control. Use the remote's built-in voice assistant for hands-free navigation and quick commands. Compatibility. Supports Chromecast, Fire Stick, and other streaming devices for added versatility. Works with wireless controllers for gaming and entertainment. Final thoughts and recommendations. The Xiaomi Projector L1 is an excellent choice for home entertainment, gaming, and even business presentations to get the best experience. Use a dark room or a projector screen for enhanced image clarity. Keep the firmware updated for new features and performance improvements. Experiment with different picture modes for movies, gaming, and presentations. What are your thoughts on the Xiaomi Projector L1? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech guides.